everybody, and welcome to my channel. So now I'm here to share with you guys how I get free products. This is how I originally started YouTube. I started getting free stuff because I just love getting stuff in the mail, period. But what I ended up doing is I started finding websites and I started following people on YouTube how they got free stuff in the mail. And so what I did to start off is I started getting tons of stuff. I was signing up for everything, and then I started saying what's free in the mail on Friday. So I'd share with you guys what I got. So there's 3 websites that I go to on a well, I'm going to give you guys a hint. I haven't been active on these sites lately. One of them I have been, but I just been so crazy busy. But with the winter time, I usually kind of keep up with this. But what happens is there's 3 sites that you guys can sign up, and you guys will get free stuff to try. Sometimes it's products that you've already heard of, and sometimes it's new products. And I'm here to share with you guys stuff that you guys want to sign up for, and definitely start getting started. You guys can sign up to get free stuff. Sometimes they send you coupons. Sometimes, you get gift cards. So the one website I go to is Smiley360. This is what we're on right now. So they have like questionnaires and stuff that you guys can do. Now you don't have to do them if you don't want to. Actually, there's another one. Okay, so I thought of a 4th one. So what you guys want to do on Smiley360, you guys can actually answer some questions. They usually ask surveys, like right here they have a new mission survey. This is for a new energy supplement. I just been so crazy busy right now that I don't want to do anything. And Smiley360, I've been using it for about 3 years now, maybe 3.5. I really like it. You just basically, they want you to post on your social media, like take a picture, send it on Facebook, send it on Instagram, Twitter, all that fun stuff. They just want you to share stuff so they know it. I've gotten laundry detergent, I've gotten cat litter, I've gotten, I hate to say this, I've gotten lube. Yeah, lube. I've gotten food, tons of different types of food, and cleaning products, all free to try, and all they want you to do is give your honest opinion and share it on social media. So Smiley360, it says I'm in a process. So right here, this is, I've been in the process of this for a while. I don't know how to get it or how to get rid of it, but they give me free OB tampons all the time. These are ones that I think I've completed out, but it's been a while. Yeah, it's not up to date because I've been doing this for so long. So definitely check out Smiley360. Now I am going to try to put the link below. I don't think I have a referral link if I do share with you guys that, but you don't get any free, you don't get any like extra goodies. You just send you free stuff to try. I was pretty excited. The next site that I show you guys multiple times is Influencer. Now I get those boxes a lot. Now the reason why I get a lot of boxes is because they want you to have more social media. So the more followers you have, the more boxes that you guys get. So I've had Influencer. I joined all 4 of these websites pretty much on the same day. They just want you to, join. I don't know if you guys can see it, but they just want you to like give your opinion. A lot of it's all beauty stuff, but they give you boxes. You sign up. Now, not everybody gets a box right away. It took me a couple months before I actually got a box. I think it was diapers. My kid got to try diapers. And if you guys go on my Instagram, you will definitely see all these websites that I've had to share in the past, but it's been a while since I've actually been really local in this stuff. But yeah, I've gotten tons of free stuff from Influencer. They send me Kohl's Cash. If you guys know what Kohl's are, I don't know if everybody has a Kohl's near them, but it's a big department store. They send me Kohl's Cash all the time to, post stuff. So definitely check out Influencer. Now I do have a link below that you guys can click to join. If you do, I think you get like bonus points if you guys click my referral link. So Influencer, they usually send you boxes of stuff and then to give your opinion. Here we have Buzz Agent. I've been, I haven't been keeping up with Buzz Agent for a while. But the more your score is, the more deals you get. Now they do have surveys that you guys want to fill out. You do the surveys, they kind of get to know you more. I've gotten a couple free things. My son has actually gotten free pairs of Stride Right shoes, and I've gotten to do that deal twice. Stride Ride shoes, those are like $30 or $40 pair of shoes. So yes, he got those absolutely free from this website. But Buzz Agent, I love this site. Right now I'm actually in a campaign, is what they call it, for the Unstoppables. So what they're gonna do is I can click it, and then it's gonna just ask me to post a photo, do an Instagram feed, do a Twitter, and then my buzz report of how I like it. So that's all you have to do, and they send you it. I just got little samples. I didn't get one of those big bottles. I just got little packets of samples, but I do have about 31 days to do this campaign, so I definitely love it. Buzz Agent, I haven't been active at all, and I'm like, okay, now since the fall is coming, I need to start getting, you know, some good stuff. So definitely check out Buzz Agent. So it's BZAGENT. Again, free stuff. All you do have to do is share it on your social media. Now, they used to have it where you got points if you guys posted stuff, but I don't think they do that anymore. So not going to do that. And then my very favorite site that I usually keep up on, I just been kind of slow lately, is CrowdTap. CrowdTap is my favorite site. Now, here's the thing about that. They send you free stuff to try. I've gotten tons of free stuff to try. I've even showed videos in the past. But you guys have to do the stuff you commit to. You guys, what you guys do. Now, they changed this site around since the last time I was on here. But these are all questionnaires. Like, they have certain questions, and then every question you answer, you get points. Once you guys get to 1,000 points, you guys can actually get... Okay. You guys can actually get gift cards. So if you guys have 1,000 points, you can get a $5 gift card. Now, that was all that was available in the past, but now they changed it. So now you can get Target gift cards, you can get Walmart, Steam, whatever that is. But I usually would just get Walmart or Target. Now, this is a great thing to get if you guys want a free Christmas. I'm telling you, all you have to do is just go to the site, answer some questions, and you guys get points. So what happens, it says, do your kids use YouTube? I'm going to say yes frequently. And so then they're going to ask me another question, and I'm going to get, I just got 2 points. And then it says, what's the best wish or gift you've ever received besides money? So I'll be answering those questions in a little bit. And then right here in the purple, it says apply to sample the Java House authentic stuff. So you guys can actually submit your applications. It'll ask you a couple questions. Now, you don't always get it because there's thousands of people that want it. So right now there's only 500 spots. I know you guys can't see it, but there's only 500 spots for people to apply for this. So they'll end up sending you 1 Java House authentic cold brewed coffee pods. I don't drink coffee, so I'm not going to apply for that. But I've gotten full-size items of stuff. That looks like it might be the only sample. Here's another one, Zepp cleaning products. I've actually applied for that one time. They've done Dove, a whole bunch of stuff. So the more answers, the questions you guys answer, the more stuff you guys can get. So you just answer questions. I mean, just spend 10 minutes a night answering questions, and it looks like right here they have they only have 2 samples right now that they're doing. It also based on the questions that you guys have. They also they changed this website a lot over the last couple months, but this is my favorite website, you guys. I've gotten so much gift cards from this place before. I don't even know if it tells me. No, it doesn't tell me. It used to say how much I've gotten. I think I've gotten like $40 from this site alone, but I haven't been active on it. So that is something that you guys can, you know, save up for gift cards, or if you guys really need money, you know, for, you know, going out on a trip or something, just start doing some gift cards. You get some e-gift cards, so definitely try that. But again, that is CrowdTap. I know you guys can't see it, but it is CrowdTap right there. So those are the 4 websites that I use to get free stuff to try, and then they give you coupons and stuff, and then, you know, CrowdTap, definitely do it to get some free money. So I just wanted to share with you guys with that. I hope you guys enjoy this kind of videos. Please let me know if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns. I will try to put the links on all 4 of them down below so you guys can join and you guys can start saving. As far as I know, Influencer is the only one that has an app. I don't think the other 3 do. I know they're working on it. So you guys have to do it on your desktop or laptop. You could probably do it on your phone. You just have to do the browser. But I find it easier on my computer. So definitely join these so you guys can get some free products. And I hope you guys enjoy these kind of videos. If you want to see more stuff like this, please let me know. I'm always here to help you guys. And I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.